Hey y'all, welcome back to Jemonica K. As you can see, we are about to tackle this wild hair. So, I'm doing coils in my hair today. Since the last video that I posted on this channel, I did get my hair cut because y'all, it was longer than this. I'm gonna insert a picture and show you how long it was before I got it cut. No, when I got it cut. Yeah, when I got it cut, and I'm gonna show you like a before and after picture. So I had my stylist to kind of cut the back shorter than the front, kind of give me like some layers, which I don't know why I told her to do that because I don't even wear my hair straight. But my hair tends to grow faster in the back than the top, so I figured that, okay, if I get her to cut it shorter, it'll kind of grow fast and it'll catch up with the top, if you get what I'm saying. So today we're just gonna do some coils, and I decided to bring you all along with me because I noticed that you all like to watch my hair tutorial video. So ladies, we are gonna tackle this hair together, and I'm gonna show you everything that I'm using really quick, and then we're gonna get started.
You're like the wind. You're like a butterfly. Need to be seen. You always need to fly. You always leave. You never tell me where. You need the wind, the wind. It always takes you there. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me, but it's okay now, as long.
So with this next process, I'm basically just taking some of that Xtreme gel and taking small pieces of my hair and just kind of twisting those around, as you can see.
You're like a waterfall.
Next, I'm just gonna take this edge brush, and I like to, I guess, go back in each one of the sections. I just add just a small amount of gel, and to me that helps with your, you know how it kind of frizz up at the roots and puff up? To me, that's what helps kind of have your hair to stay straight and not puff up as bad. So if you do not have a problem with that, of course you can just continue to add the gel and coil your hair. But if you like those areas on the roots just to lay down a little bit, then you will see me actually go back with each section and just straighten it out a little bit with the gel and the edge brush.
Okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me, but it's okay now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, but it's okay as long as you're here. But it's okay now, as long as you're here. ocean, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow.
I'm going to show you all an up close of those areas that I like to go in and add just a small amount of gel to smooth out.
River could be rising on the mountains, climbing high enough to see the sky, to light up all the colors of its motion, leave every obstacle behind. I promise it could happen any day now, and soon enough I'll also see the light, get a little glimpse of my emotions. Yeah, I will get it, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do.
That's the end of this video. The coil process is really easy. It just takes a little bit of time. I did allow my hair to air dry, and I also sprayed it with this mixed bar coconut hair mist. So it smells really good, y'all, and I picked that up from Target. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next video. I just simply, on the right side of my head, I pinned a little of my hair back with a hairpin. And if you want to fluff up some of those areas just to give it a little bit more shape, you can. But like I said, this is a very easy process. I will see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.